Hey guys, Alicia here. I know I'm doing more than one video today, but I'm trying to get caught up from when I was sick. And I really wanted to do this video because it's going to be more of an inspirational and encouraging video because people start Etsy shops for different reasons. And of course, everybody wants to make extra money and they want to make money doing this, but people start doing it for different reasons. I wanted to thank Lynne with Blue Ridge Digitals for sponsoring this video today, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about her story and also what she sells, and I'm going to put a link to her shop in the description below this video. She just opened her shop just not long ago, and she already has 56 sales. So she focuses on sublimation items and clip art. So it just depends on what type of paper you put it on. But she has some amazing designs that you can put on a t-shirt, a sweatshirt. You know, you can put it on a tote bag, whatever it is. She has some awesome designs here. And she has several different, and these are very vibrant in colors too as well. So she's got some seasonal items here, and then she also has several items that are not seasonal items, but she is focusing on those seasonal items right now. Now, I wanted to say that sublimation items can also be used as clip art as well. And that is kind of how I'm doing the focus around this video, is to kind of show you some of these items. And I'm going to pull these up here in just a bit. But I wanted to kind of tell her story. She said that she had started this journey after the loss of her mom. She wrote on the form that she filled out for my YouTube sponsorship program. She said that I just recently got the courage to share my designs on Etsy. It has been very therapeutic for me. So she really does this because it is an outlet for her, and she's doing a very good job at it. So I also wanted to mention that when I first started this channel, and I have stuck with it the entire time, I keep saying that you don't have to have any money to start your business. All you need is a computer at home and internet access. And if you don't have a computer at home, in my previous video, I have a woman who goes to the library and uses their computer and their internet, and she has done very well also. So you can start your own business with a computer or a tablet, and an internet connection is all you need. So she uses a tablet and she creates these designs on her own. So she does all of these and she just creates them on her own. So she also said that she did not invest in anything. She said, I've just been using free programs. So you can start a business. You don't have to have a degree in graphic design. You don't have to have, extensive Photoshop knowledge. There are so many programs that are user and budget friendly out there that you can get started today, on your Etsy shop. So she does use her tablet to draw her designs, and she also uses paint.net to finish them. So I just wanted to mention that. And these digital prints are an alternative to a JPEG. It really is just a matter of what type of paper that you print them on. So I'm going to pull up one of her items, and because it is almost Christmas, I'm going to pull this up right here. Everything is better in a mason jar. I've been on a buffalo plaid kick here lately, so I've been pulling up. So she's showing here, and she's got this watermarked. And then now she is showing what it would look like on a shirt. And she's showing what it would look like on a different color shirt. It looks like she is showing now what it looks like on a tea towel. She's showing what it would look like on a mock-up, a pillow mock-up. And I actually love this mock-up photo because it's black and white and it really makes the image just pop out. So whenever you see a design like this, the possibilities are endless. You can design something like this, and if you don't know how to draw yourself, you can get Clipart, very inexpensive, and you can create things like this on your own. And then this is what they would be used for. You know, things like putting them on a tea towel and also putting them on something like a shirt. So it really makes the image just pop. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up another one of her designs, and this one looks like it is non-Christmas related. Beauty for Ashes. And this looks like it is a biblical quote. So this is looks like it is a Bible verse, and you can use this as a digital print for wall art, and she has it displayed beautifully in a mock-up photo. And you can also use this on a shirt. And then she's showing what it looks like on the shirt alone. So this is an instant download, nothing will ship. It's a sublimation design, and she does have this at 300 DPI. And then as soon as you make the purchase, it's immediately available for download. So once again, I will leave a link to her shop in the description below. There are many uses for clip art and sublimation items. You can use them for making wall art, greeting cards, coffee mugs, tote bags. There are just so many uses for them, and that is what I wanted to stress right here. But I also wanted to stress that you do not have to have any money to get started. You can start an Etsy shop for absolutely free. And you do have to pay the 20-cent listing fee, and the beauty of an instant download is that you can put that you have 999 available, and I'm going to put on here, I don't know if it shows how many is available, but usually there is a section where you can put that you have 999 available. That's what Etsy will allow you to do. And if you sold 999 of them, you can relist it and put 999 more. So this is just a great job. These are so adorable. If you're wanting a last minute t-shirt for Christmas and you want to purchase this sublimation transfer, or whatever you want to use this for, you can purchase this. This is really cute. It's for a family, and it has t-shirts for everybody, and even the baby bodysuit, so that everybody has the elf squad, perfect for a family. And that's what it would look like on a shirt, a raglan tee. And then she kind of shows a close-up here of what it would look like. So this is just an excellent job, and If you do get a chance, please visit her shop, Blue Ridge Digitals, and keep in mind the reason that she got started is it's therapeutic for her after the loss of her mother. So please visit her shop. I will leave a link to it in the description below. Also, if you are new to my channel and you want to learn how to make money online, please hit the subscribe button because I have a lot of plans in 2020 for my channel. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to my Facebook group, you can find it on Facebook under groups. It's called Etsy Passive Income. Make sure to answer all 3 questions and one of the moderators or myself will accept you into the group. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.